Okay, so I am in the car with Carrie Donovan and Debbie Hansen, and they are taking me on a little field trip to see something super special.
We are going over to Crystal Bay to see 20 Crystal Drive, which is the hottest new lakefront property on the lake, which is under construction and will be complete in the spring. The architecture is amazing. It's Crestwood Builders and Presidio Vista Properties, which is known for developing properties in Aspen and other Incline and other high-end areas. And so what you're going to see today is kind of an example of the next generation of 2019 construction for amazing, beautiful luxury home that comes with a shared pier, a boat lift, a buoy, 100 feet on the water, a funicular that will take you down to the water in a minute, and also all the things that you would want. Infinity pool, just crazy beautiful. The property is on 1.2 acres, and the asking price is $22 million pre-construction pricing.
All right, Debbie, what do you think? Could you live there?
I could totally live there. It will be just gorgeous, and I'm excited to see it because I haven't seen it for a couple of months.
So with the Cal NEVA, we'll drive by that. I usually try to drive by there once a week or so just to kind of see what's going on. Okay, so this is house number 2. So this is sold already.
This one here. Okay.
You know, you can enter this way because the in-laws. This is the front door.
Oh, this is the real entry.
Yeah,
okay.
I don't know if it's from the inside because this is all windows. I mean, amazing front doors. This is the great room.
Oh, wow.
New concept. You know, 2 fireplaces on both sides.
Oh my gosh, I love this room, yeah.
Yeah, so this is panorama room.
Look at that view. Oh my god.
I know, and so they're really
Deck.
tied into the landscape. These natural boulder outcroppings. These are all pocket doors on this whole wall, and then cement patios, heated patios. Then this room is kind of a
ceilings.
Den room.
Yeah. This here?
Show kitchen, right here.
Nice.
So appliances on the back wall, all beautiful. And then this is where you kind of entertain.
Right.
Show, cook.
Yeah.
And then if you're really having a party, the butler pantry is in here. I think this is a powder room. Powder room. So here's office, and then this glass stair bridge.
Wow.
We're entering. So this is the whole master wing back here.
All right.
I know. Look at just amazing.
That view. Like, how are you ever going to get any work done there, huh?
Yeah. So we're on the stair bridge to the master.
I love this. It's like the lake over here.
Yeah. So this is master suite. Bed on this wall. So beautiful lake views deck. High ceilings. Big, huge master closet.
So another lake view out there.
Oh yeah, beautiful lake view, even from your shower. So there's a spiral here, and this will go down to a flex space below the master.
Yeah.
So office, yoga room, and then it has outside access. So you can access it from the outside or from the interior of the master.
Cool.
So yes, this whole wing is just...
it's like a separate thing.
This is the stairway down to the pier. Right now you don't even have to get into that. because that will probably go away once the funicular's in. We're not 100% sure. Here, we might be able to see it better on the other level.
Oh, yeah.
But that's a brand new pier.
Yeah.
Brand new deepwater pier. Okay, Diane, this is just a temporary staircase. The staircase is really going over here.
Okay.
And then there is the option for an elevator as well. And you look at our left here.
Right.
Wine room, the utilities. So this is kind of a family media room, bunk room, full bath. Okay, so you've got this stone patio. This is an infinity pool.
Wow.
Yeah, so we haven't really seen one of those, but
That's
or it's going to be a spa.
And so you said back here was the bunk room?
Yeah, so it'll be bunk room and full bath, or you could change it into like a spa.
Very nice.
So what you can see already is how you can enter the house from, different places. There's
Right.
not just one door
Yeah.
for access, so if you're running in and out. So if you want to catch the funicular, down in the water,
Yeah.
you can run out this door or the front door.
So where's the funicular gonna be?
It's going to be, when you see, when we go back out, see where that board is on the tree to the left of the boulders?
Oh yeah.
So it's going to go down the property line to the pier. So the rest of what's down here is really guest suites. I think this might be laundry or bathroom. Suite 1, this is an awesome suite. This would be kind of a spa room too. This one goes out into like 120 feet and is in 23 feet of water. I think that whole cove down here is just so beautiful. Kind of see the openness and art of the house.
Sure. This is the kitchen. Okay. Yeah. That was totally amazing, and I could totally live here. If only I were a Bitcoin billionaire. Ted, get to work.
See, the new arch is on for the entry.
Oh yeah.
So I'm sure it has a long way to go. So that's what's huge is you're going to have this 5-star place
Right.
in the neighborhood.